To switch from TurboTax Deluxe to Free Edition, start by understanding the key differences between the two versions. TurboTax Deluxe offers additional features such as audit support and investment reporting, whereas the Free Edition is designed for simple tax returns with basic income and deductions. First, determine if you are eligible for the Free Edition by reviewing your tax situation. If you have a simple tax return with a 1040 form and no itemized deductions or investments, you may qualify for the Free Edition. Next, log into your TurboTax account and select the option to downgrade from Deluxe to Free Edition. You may be prompted to confirm that you want to switch to the Free Edition and give up the additional features of the Deluxe version. Once you have confirmed the switch, TurboTax will automatically adjust your account and remove any Deluxe features. You will then be able to complete your tax return using the Free Edition, which includes free federal and state filing for simple tax returns. It is essential to note that if you have already paid for the Deluxe version, you will not receive a refund. However, you can still switch to the Free Edition and avoid any additional fees. To ensure a smooth transition, review your tax return carefully and make any necessary adjustments. You can also use the TurboTax interview process to guide you through the tax preparation process and ensure you are taking advantage of all eligible deductions and credits. Finally, once you have completed your tax return using the Free Edition, you can e-file your return directly with the IRS and receive confirmation of receipt. By following these steps, you can easily switch from TurboTax Deluxe to Free Edition and save money on your tax preparation. Fees. Remember to always review your tax situation carefully and choose the version that best meets your needs.